Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this local oil rice. Some people call it concussion rice, some call it conditioned rice. So let's go make it. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I have my dried fish there, I have stock cube, here is some ew locust beans, here I have my diced tomato, some pepper, just a bit of tomato I actually use, and onion. Here dried pepper, my blended crayfish, my red palm oil, salt, and I have a bit of spinach I'll just be using. This is optional. And here is my rice parboiling in fire. So now let's get started. Put a pot on fire, pour in some palm oil or red oil. Now allow the oil to heat up a bit. I'm just going to bleach it a little bit, and the reason why I'm adding salt and covering it is to reduce the smoke that comes out from the oil. Now stir fry your onion. I put this chunk there because I already blended a lot of onion here. So pour in your blended onion, pepper and tomato and stir together. I'm adding salt, stock cube, adding in like 2 to 3 tablespoons of blended crayfish. I'll be adding a little bit of locust beans, that is ew. Now I'm adding my dried fish. I deboned it. A bit of dry grinded pepper because I blended some fresh ones already. Now we just pour in the rice, parboiled rice.
Cause you know I flow it's that cheesy. Fresh boy wait up easy. I got the cat that you need. Plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beauty so undeniable.
Now adding some water to cook.
I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne. No, not time for darling. Give it to me more. Music's playing. Everybody dancing, everybody dancing.
Cover and let it cook for at least another 15 to at least 20 minutes. So while it was cooking, I decided to add a bit of spinach leaves. Stir together and cook for another 7 minutes or until you feel it is done enough. For some people they like soft rice, but for me I like it not too soft, not too hard.
Come on, make me take and slow. Come on, let me feel my flow. To fool me, my baby.
Now our oil rice is ready, and the rice was so delicious. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.